They didn't blank me anything. Say or tell. What's the difference? Listen, guys. We say something to someone, but we tell someone something. So tell needs someone after it. It needs a listener. But say is directly followed by the thing said. Here we have me, which is someone, right? Which one is followed by someone or a listener? Good job. Tell. They didn't tell me anything. If I would never smoke. Am, was, were. Well, I takes am and was, and for present was for past. But because this is if conditional, type 2, we're going to choose were. If I were you, I would never smoke. And this is a common expression. If I were you, then we use would here. If I were you means if I'm in your position, and we use it to give advice to someone. And here we use were instead of was because this situation is not real. I'm not you. I just imagine that. So always remember that. If I were you. You answer this one. I blank mom, the soup was hot. Told or said. You need to follow this rule to answer. And remember that mom here is someone or a listener. So what's the answer? Let me know in the comments.